Lifesize, as a company, we have created a good niche for ourselves in this market, and we are currently, growing at 2 to 3x of the market rate. We are, very steadily poised to grow further, primarily because of two reasons. One being, the adoption rate of video has, gained a lot of traction due to the broadband availability, and technologies like 3G and 4G, which are yet to come, are bringing mobile devices also into the video segment. All technologies that we are developing around our solution offerings are cloud and mobile based, because this is going to be more of a video for the masses kind of market that we see, and especially with the kind of geographical spread that we have across India, people would be adopting more into mobile video rather than having fixed videos in their boardrooms and conference rooms. They would like to enable video to more of their executives while they travel, while they are, anywhere basically. They are looking at, Indian firms typically are more of the BYOD, bring your own device kind of thing, and one of the reasons why we've kept our technology on open standards is purely because you cannot restrict someone to buying a specific device to work with video. So we continuously keep enhancing our capabilities over a range of devices available in the market today. It is at a very nascent stage. When you look at video penetration versus the population, that's one of the key indicators to show you that it hasn't been a big technology being used by the people of India. And as you rightly said, the broadband availability is now much better than it was 3 or 5 years back, and we are seeing more and more adoption because of the wireless technologies like 3 and 4G which is coming. We're seeing more and more uptakes of enterprises actually enabling their employees to use video on the go. You're seeing a lot of traction with video as a service being adopted by enterprises in India. Our market is spread across 4 macro verticals. It is the large enterprise. Typically these are the enterprises or customers who have anyways deployed video and are into phase 2 of actually enabling video into more and more employees in the organization, because they would be having maybe 5, 10, 15 boardrooms or meeting rooms with video, which is just not enough to communicate effectively. And thanks to the travel costs spiraling again with hotel charges as well, this is a better way of them enabling people. So large enterprises are deploying more and more video for making video available to more of their users. Another market that we see is like the mid markets, basically SMB. The uptake has been really good there. So SMB is one of the key markets for us either which ways, because our products we believe our products are the best in class, and with the price performance levels that we give it, it makes it very attractive for SMBs to adopt video conferencing. And we've seen a lot of good traction in the SMB market. We focus heavily on the education and healthcare markets. They're very big markets for us as well. We've seen a lot of uptake in the education market lately. Healthcare continues to grow. And public sector units is the fourth that who keep adopting video at a very rapid pace. So typically the first thing is make Lifesize easy to buy, easy to sell, right? So a lot of the times the channels run helter-skelter to figure out how they get the product in. They may do a lot of web check, all that. So what we've done is we've put in place a very solid distribution structure. we have world class, best in class distributors of us. Okay, below them we have like system integrators and tier 2 channels as we call them, and then we have the regional channel partners who like cater to specific cities or markets based on availability of demos and customer inquiries, all that kind of thing. So yes, we cater to all types of channels, ranging from the large system integrators to the very small channel partners. Our distributors make it very effective for us to reach out to all these multitudes of. We have 3 distributors in India. We have all our channels who get certified, trained by us, and deliver their service capabilities. We also have back-end support available from. We certify partners directly. We have certification on 2 different levels. One is the large system integrators would never want to depend on someone else. They get certified themselves to deliver. I mean, sell, maintain, collect their AMCs. The other brand of like the small, maybe the B and C class city resellers get it done from the distributors. So because our distributors are not box movers, they are value added distributors. So they do pre and post sales for the channel partners. So they actually deliver and maintain as well. That's how we cater to these, the tier 2, tier 3 cities via distribution. What happens is we manage things very tightly on that end, and the market basically has been growing irrespective of the economic crisis, because fortunately for us, we are not one of those companies which has got affected by the downward spiral, because video is a technology which keeps getting adopted at a quicker pace during these tough turbulent times, because a lot of customers like the SMB, like I stressed upon, they see the ROI very quickly in using video conferencing. And one of the reasons why Lifesize is very well poised in this market is because even our solutions are best in class. We deliver the best high definition solution available in the market at very, very attractive price points. So if you look at us, we have like the lowest total cost of ownership to a customer. That is what makes our solutions very compelling ones to the market. And we're seeing as people call it, the turbulent times as good